do whatever.
Hey, Adam and John, Sports Center, Pittsburgh, Kansas. Today, Frank Flack and I are going to put together the Hornady Security Safe. It's a model 95072. It's modular. Frank, tell us how this deal works.
Sure, so this is the Hornady Security Mobilis Safe. So they come in different sizes. This one here is the extra large safe, which is the 2-door French door style safe. So this, as you see, is in a crate right now. You come into John's Sports Center, you tell them this is what you want. Adam gets a good address, a contact phone number for the truck driver, and then we bring it in a crate right from Hornady straight to your driveway or your porch. Awesome. And it's modular, and you'll see what we mean as we put it together in a minute. We open up the crate, and you take it piece by piece, any place in your house that you want to build it, and you build it right there. All right?
So no more the problem of finding somebody to move around a safe or going to the doctor with a hurt back. They deliver it, and as you'll see here in the video, we'll assemble it. You can assemble it anywhere you want in your house.
Exactly.
All right.
That's it. All right, so we got the top off the crate. Here's what you've got from right off the bat. So this right here is your owner's manual. It's your little toolkit. All this comes with everything you see. Here's your instructions.
Nice. There's
your keys. This is for the actual safe, the door, the combination. Those are your turn knobs,
yep.
spindles. Yep. There's a ratchet, the socket, 19 millimeter. That's all you need. Huh. And then these are the tools that help you with the modular inside square lock system to build the inside of the safe. And then here's all your nuts, bolts, and washers.
Wow.
All right, so it's all there. As you've seen, we have a few battery operated drills to help us with the dirty work here, which you can do, but this is actually all you need to build the safe.
Smart.
So just so everybody knows, Hornady did a great job. They mark every panel. So this one here says exterior side panel. The way that the sticker is facing, you know that this is the top, this is the bottom. So each piece, you will have no questions on what it is and where it goes.
Yeah, 2 people required for sure. But not bad 2 people. This is something I think you could be, my wife and I could do it. There's nothing that's been exceptionally, you know, if it gotta be a meathead or CrossFit 7 days a week to do it so far.
See, now we just.
That's secure, man.
Yep. Yeah, so that.
I said they did a good job.
That'll wash off. That'll trouble.
Little powder to them, they're really good.
All right, so now we've got the back, all 4 sides, or both sides, top and bottom in, and the front frame for where the doors go. As you can see, now we've got to go back in and tighten, put washers and nuts into each of the screws and the bolts, and we're going to tighten, torque them down. This is your firewall. This is your fire blanket. All right. So there we go.
We really think we should put it on a towel and set it up.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
John Sports Center. We just got him putting together the Hornady security safe. This is the big boy, the double one. They make them in smaller sizes, so don't let it intimidate you. It's as big as a Sub-Zero refrigerator. Lock works flawless, one-handed. Clockwise opens it. You got active deadbolts all the way down the side of the door, so there's no way you're gonna get in. So on top, on the sides. I really thought this square stuff might be cheesy, but I'd say it's nicer than Secure-It and some other high-end brands that they're selling online. They're selling these panels for $200 and $300 at some places, but we can get these separate from Hornady also if you just want to build out a man cave or have a closet you want to finish out to secure your guns. They did a slick little job with the hidden hinge inside here, so there's simply a push-down hinge. Same way unlocks your active bolts that are on the top, so they'll show through. They've greased them. They didn't cut any corners on this. The powder coater on it's nice. The interior, the square lock is awesome. We just gridded it out real quick in a fashion that I think would be usable as far as you can have multiple long guns. They don't overload you either with a bunch of shelves like Stack On and some other brands. They give you what you need, but we can always call and order more shelving, because if this is mine, I would probably use the USB outlets and have a backup hard drive, a 110, a dehumidifier. I would definitely put a lighting system in it, which is all available through Hornady and through the store at John Sports Center. Probably keep my electronics, everything separated there, documents on this side, keep our longer guns here, and I think really I'll grab my tape measure, your SBR, small pistols, all the above would fit on top here nicely, and it's as simple as we could add the racking system at a different point up here to hold those up and out of the way and safe and secure. So we could have small pistols or SBRs in a corner. So pretty neat system. We can drop ship them right to your door. There's no freight. Ship anywhere in the United States. I'm not afraid of it now. It took us right at about 2 hours, I would say, to finish it. And that was not reading the instructions, believe it or not. And we was having to pull the frame back off because we forgot to put the ceiling in first. So anyways, if you like stuff like this, check us out. Give us a call. John Sports Center, open 7 days a week.